So x1 of z is 1 by z minus alpha 1 into u of z, and the second one x2 of z is so x1 of z is u of z by z minus alpha 1. So x1 of z into z minus alpha 1 is equal to u of z, and z minus z into x1 of z minus alpha 1 into x1 of z is equal to u of z. So z into x1 of z is equal to u of z plus alpha 1 into x1 of z. By apply inverse z transform on both the sides, inverse z inverse of z into x1 of z is equal to, so x1 of k plus 1, and alpha 1 into x1 of z is alpha 1 into x1 of k. Z inverse of u of z is u of k, and the x2 of z is equal to u of z by z minus alpha 2. x2 of z is equal to u of z by z minus alpha 2. So same process, z minus alpha 2 into x2 of z is equal to u of z. So z into x2 of z is equal to z into x2 of z is equal to u of z plus alpha 2 into x2 of z. Apply inverse z transform on both the sides. So x2 of k plus 1, x2 of k plus 1, x2 of z is x2 of k plus 1, and the alpha 2 x2 of k plus u of k, and the last x3 of z is equal to u of z by z minus alpha 3. So u of z is equal to z minus alpha 3 into x3 of z. So z minus alpha 3 into x3 of z is equal to u of z, z into x3 of z minus alpha 3 into x3 of z, z x3 of z minus alpha 3 into x3 of z is equal to u of z. So the z into x3 of z is equal to u of z plus alpha 3 into x3 of z. So apply inverse z transform. So z of x3 of z is equal to Emma x3 of k plus 1. So the z inverse of z into x3 of z is x3 of k plus 1. So x3 of k plus 1 and u of z is u of k, and x3 of z is x3 of k. The state equations are, so manam x1 of z and rasam. So x1 of z is converted into inverse z transform, and x2 of z converted into inverse z transform, x3 of z is converted into inverse z transform. So 3 z forms will be converted into the state equations. So the state equations are So there are three state equations. X1 of k plus 1 is equal to alpha 1 x1 of k plus u of k. X2 of k plus 1 is equal to alpha 2 x2 of k plus uk. X3 of k plus 1 is equal to alpha 3 x3 of k plus uk. So x1 of k yokka coefficient is alpha 1 or sigma 1, sigma 2 or alpha 2. X2 of k coefficient x1, x2, x3. Plus in the 3 x1 of k plus 1, x2 of k plus 1, x3 of k plus 1, u of k yokka coefficient 1, 1, 1. This is the state variables or state equations in the given state model. The output equation becomes y of z is equal to so y of z is already told that b naught into u of z. So this is x1, this is x2, this is x3 of z. So all three. So k1 into x1 of z, k2 into x2 of z, k3 into x3 of z. So k1 yokka coefficient enti x1 of z. Sorry, x1 of z coefficient is k1, x2 of z coefficient is k2, x3 of z coefficient is k3, plus u of z coefficient is b naught into u of k. So this is the diagonal canonical form. This is third method. So the diagonal canonical method, canonical form. So problem, obtain the state space representation for y of z by u of z. So obtain the state space representation for the given transfer function y of z by u of z is equal to 5z plus 3 by z plus 1 into z plus 2. 5z plus 3 by z plus 1 into z plus 2. So in the denominator, 2 roots, z plus 1 root, z plus 2 root. So apply partial fractions. So we are apply the partial fractions on this equation. So a by first root z plus 1 root plus b by second root z plus 2. A by z plus 1, b by z plus 2. 2 roots. Take LCM in the denominator. What is LCM? Z plus 1 into z plus 2. There are 2 roots in the denominator. So z plus 1 is one of the root. Z plus 2 is another root. So in the denominator roots, z plus 1 into z plus 2. So a into z plus 2, a into z plus 2, b into z plus 1. In the denominator, z plus 1, z plus 2 is both are cancelled. 5z plus 3 in the left side. Right side will be a into z plus 2 plus b into z plus 1. So compared or substitute z is equal to minus 1. So z is equal to minus 1 So in this z term is -1, sorry, -1 is substitute. So b term is completely 0. A is equal, A into -1 plus 2 enta 1. A is equal to -5 plus 3. A is equal to -2. So A value ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా? -2. And take z is equal to -2. Take z is equal to -2. So A term is completely 0. B into -1 is equal to -10 plus 7 enta -7. So B is equal to 7. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to 7. A is equal to -2, B is equal to 7. Substitute the values. A value is -2, B value is 7. So -2 by z plus 1 and B is 7, 7 by z plus 2. So y of z is equal to -2 by z plus 1 into u of z. -2 by z plus 1 into u of z plus 7 by z plus 2 into u of z. 7 by z plus 2 into u of z. Now while define the state variables, so this is will be taking from the x1 of z and u of z by z plus 2 is taking from x2 of z. x1 of z, this is x2 of z. So x1 of z is equal to u of z by z plus 1 and the x2 of z is equal to u of z by z plus 2. So x1 of z is equal to u of z by z plus 1. So what happened in the u of z? U of z will be happened x1 of z into z plus 1. So z into x1 of z is equal to u of z minus x1 of z. So the take inverse z transform. So the inverse z transform on the both sides. Z into x of z is equal to x of k plus 1. So x1 of z is minus x1 of z plus u of k. And the same process will be taking from x2 of z and apply inverse z transform. So x1 of k plus 1 is equal to minus x1 of k plus u of k. x2 of k plus 1 is equal to same u of k minus 2 x2 of k. The state equation can be written in the matrix form. So x1 of k plus 1, x2 of k plus 1. This is x1 of k plus 1. x1 yokka coefficient is -1. x1 coefficient is -1. x2 coefficient is not given, so it is take from 0. And the x2 of k plus 1, x1 coefficient is should be 0. x2 coefficient is considered from the -2. 0, -2. x1 of k plus 1 is -1 and 0. And the u of k in the x1 of k plus 1 is 1. x2 of k plus 1 is also 1. So this is the state variables and the state equation, and the output equation is So y of k, this is y of k. x1 of k యొక్క coefficient is -2, x2 coefficient is 7. So output equation y of k is equal to -2 into x1 of k plus 7 into x2 of k. So -2 x1 of k term, 7 into x2 of k. So this is the calculating the matrix form or state model. So x1 of k plus 1 by using the diagonal canonical form. So diagonal canonical form lo manalni calculate cheyamante this is the procedure. So obtain the state space representation. Next problem, obtain the state space representation for the given transfer function in diagonal form. So in the given transfer function, g of z is equal to z inverse into 1 plus z inverse whole divided by 1 plus 0.5 z inverse into 1 minus 0.5 z inverse. So what happened will be z inverse. Z inverse is equal to 1 by z. So z inverse 1 by z into 1 plus 1 by z divided by 1 plus 0.5 into 1 by z into 1 minus 0.5 into 1 by z. So take LCM in the numerator and the denominator. Take LCM in the numerator and the denominator. So the given transfer function is g of z is equal to z plus 1 by z plus 0.5 into z minus 0.5. So that take the partial fractions. So a by z plus 0.5 plus b by z minus 0.5. A by z plus 0.5 plus b by z minus 0.5. So in the numerator, z plus 1 is equal to a into z minus 0.5 plus b into z plus 0.5. Z plus 1 is equal to a into z minus 0.5 plus b into z plus 0.5. So calculate the a and b values. So it will be the same procedure. So z is equal to substitute 0.5 one time. Z is equal to substitute minus 0.5 is another time. So calculate the a and b values. A value is minus 1 by 2. B value is 3 by 2. So g of z is equal to minus 1 by 2. A value. B value is 3.2. Let us define state variables. Y of z by u of z is equal to minus 1 by 2. U of z is sent to the right side. U of z by z plus 0.5 plus 3 by 2 into u of z by z minus 0.5. So this is considered x1 of z. This will be considered in x2 of z. So x1 of k plus 1 and the same in the x2 of k plus 1. So construct the state model. Minus 0.5, 0, 0, 0.5, x1 of k, x2 of k, and 1, 1. This is the y values. So this is the diagonal canonical form